ABAT stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday. Is American battery technology stock a buy? I'm gonna be breaking all this down in this brief and short 1-minute video. I am the only guy in this space that has actually done 43,000 videos in 5 years. I'm not even exaggerating it. You can check out my YouTube channel. But especially with ABAT, I'm a big fan of just buying more. Like, if I zoom back, you will see that at the time, bro, this was already like 2 weeks ago, 30th of June. Why doesn't it want to buy? Yeah, it was 147. Went from 147 to like 170 as I expected. Now it's 207. I already shifted here, so even like on the lower time frame, I cut out another long here. Let me show you proof. It was like a 3rd of July thing. Like a lower time frame.
I guess if that's not the play, then I'm now just gonna buy. People are still gonna overcomplicate.
Yeah, no need to overcomplicate. Even in that video, I'm yapping about that. So how things are looking like, it's quite juicy. And if it does sort of pull down and gives me a double break, then of course I'm looking to buy more. So let me know what is your opinion. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy.